Hello everyone, how are we all doing? Hope we are all doing fine, and welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Pasidonas TV. If this is the first time you are coming across our YouTube channel and you like what we are doing, please do give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please do share our videos. We are on Facebook page as well, so you can decide to watch us on Facebook or on YouTube. I don't know where you'll be watching or where you'll be listening from, but we are on both platforms. My people, the matter will carry me come. It's strong, oh. Even as I record this audio now, sleep there my eyes small. But I just the drag make I do because I get other things. Plenty things way that head what I want to do. Now wetin make me now they say just try do this audio now. Na tega matter, na wetin carry me come. Now I want beg you where they listen to me. If you know person where don't marry or person where no person where don't marry, where they dream to go BB Naija as a married person, I beg carry the person come, make the person come listen to me. Or married women or married men where the two they watch BB Naija, I beg send this audio, give them, make they still listen. Wetin make me they talk this matter be say things they happen. And now I want start with Tega. I want clear air first. If you don't know Tega na one of BB Naija season 6 housemates. Big Brother Naija, shine your eyes. We just this set we just finish now. Tega na one of the housemates and they marry. That lady, na intelligent lady where she be. She's jovial, she's smart. From the scenes where I don't see where that lady dey. I go give am, she dey intelligent. But now, Tega don't come out now, come dey beg. Say make Nigerians forgive am. Say he no do well, but he no get sense with Buma. Tega, I no go one drag you. I no go one day talk the things the way you don't talk and talk. Tega, I no go one like the make you be say I dey criticize you. No, you don't talk the things the way you don't talk. And the Nigerians don't hear you. People will go get to opinions go get. But what it make me now they bring this your matter now for people. Now for people will go learn something from your matter. Tega, honestly, you for people hand, especially married women or married people, you for their hand. You know, say you now this thing now, as you take misbehave for BB Naija, you don't like, oh my God, you don't block so many ways now for plenty people who don't marry, who don't anticipate to go this thing. Their husbands don't agree them make them go again, no. Even husbands, their wives don't agree them make them go again, no. Especially if na same person when marrying husband or marrying wife, in they enjoy in house, they enjoy in wife or they enjoy in husband as them be. As in bad, they see they manage, they survive this Nigeria, they live happily. You won't bring BB Naija, can't spoil them or can't separate them or can't put fights. They not agree now. Why? Because Tega, your husband talks, say, take away no. Nobody take away in the see for BB Naija has. So for this Tega matter, now waiting we go learn from this Tega matter. Now plenty thing know where we go learn. First, you get waiting in the talk for my dialect. They talk as bitter cola. They take sand. No be say they take sweet. Because Tega don't talk so many things where you don't talk. Like I don't talk and before. No beside the drag Tega. You don't talk so many things where you talk. In talk say if you want in the cheese with other housemates, they come they ask as him marry if you come out tomorrow now. The husband tell and say no one marry again. He say even tell them say when they do an audition, say femme na infirm. She see if the husband no one saying go try make the marriage work. If you no work, no wahala. If I get some things wey Tega dey talk, even when husband they tell and say making dey careful with Boma, especially Queen. When Queen they try caution am, Tega con dey hala, con dey ginger, even if he have sex with Boma, like waiting. She gets con dey do like say or they she say you know the leak, nothing they enter for him body. Just the ginger. So waiting there, my people be say. Maybe as the thing they take sand. I know say so many of them will go that thing, won't go there because they need the platform. Some are they business oriented, they get so many things, plans, you know, things where they want execute, things where they want do. The only thing where they need now na platform, be like say Nini. We talk say in done ready, they in shop, everything done they ready. But they just need the platform and waiting make and come go the audition, come pass. So it gets so many people we get something where they don't put on the ground first. Then they look for platform. Even like Licoros. Yeah, like listening her interview with BBC PG. The girl they multi-talented. They get so many things where this girl they plan to do. So many plenty things. You go not say na that kind of person. Now the platform where in the wait. Now the thing where in the just the wait. Nothing more. Now, Tega to get her own plans too. And didn't need this platform. I didn't need this platform. So they even talk for that BB Niger. What if say na the marriage where what if say na scam? As he gets so many things the way Tega talk. He gets so many things when talk. Like I say, I no one dragon. But the truth be say, he no portray way. He no behave like say person where they married or person where they responsible. Now that thing be the truth. Even as him come out for BB Niger, in icon they shine and they shine and they shine and it is as if because all of them they think say they come if they come out, endorsements go from everywhere, you know, left, right, boom, you know, things go begin to happen. As in things same body they sweet time, even the time when don't ask Nigerians may they forgive them. They can't crocodile what a crocodile tears when cry. That time. Even the, you know, the so many things when they talk say the things when they don't use and gather the followers in can they tell MC Bakari. Can they tell they say the followers where they don't use in name get say then go comment and share. You know, in this na play matter before. So if you look Tega in eye, you go to, you know, go to tear eye like say I don't know. But the thing be say he don't come beg Nigerians say may they forgive him. But the thing be say, Tega never tell Nigerians the truth. He say no, you know, he no chuku with Boma. But I don't know whether our eyes, like I did now, as I talk say, are they feel sleepy. If he make me no come they see well low. I don't know whether Tega think say Nigerians, their eyes, they don't they see well. So they see where they put condom under the pillow. What's in that one come be for? Even the tissue, you can't deny say, in fact, if you never watch this video what you do with this man with Chude na the man's name. Ingrat waiting be name. Tega interview. But I go add some of the clip when Tega at the end, when they beg Nigerians. You just go on YouTube, just type with Chude, you go see the man this thing. You go see the man channel. Make una just watch the interview. So my sisters, na so the thing will be na so the thing be. So as Tega don't come out now, things say na like that. Maybe all the plans them, all the things the way it is and so it go happen. Things no come to happen like that. I know say now for this social media, even when person no do anything, people with the dragger. Can't talk more of when person do something, commit. What thing maybe we no go drag them? So the Nigerians come they see tissue. Okay. Tega, like I don't talk am before, say I no one drag. You know say they drag you. I know they drag her at all. Now Tega, you talk say una no do anything. Not be you when the guy say your thing they smell fish, whether na waiting they smell, I no know. Not behind the way you chook when come they talk say the thing they smell. You no caution am as the guy talk. Even when Queen they tell you, you no even go caution the guy, you no even go holler the guy, you leave him. Now say anytime when you see the body, so tell guy you change your clothes in front of that guy. Ah, what's it with the talk self now? What's it with the talk? We know be pikin, no, we know be pikin. Now you just for your hand. Because if I say you go there like Mike, which season will Mike be? Mike, I think it's season 4. Pepe them. Mike, whether Mike Edward, we marry, whether I don't know whether your wife and I pair or so too. Whether they London or they UK, I don't know where they. The guy just go there, Kuma respect himself. His wife, when they proud of him, man, when they happy, say his husband go out, come out. You know, misbehave, you can't they happy. So, you know, you just go, instead of you to go there, respect yourself. You just go there, misbehave. You see, that's what people they take get firm. And they tell you, if I say you go there, respect yourself, you know, misbehave. You feel rich finance or you know feel rich finance. But at least Nigerians, they get better heart. They go sponsor you. They go like, they go support you. What will they portray self? Who go want make your wife go BB Niger? Okay, even when they ask you, they say they no suck your waiting. What they do when I dear truth or dear game? They not suck your BB. You can't talk say, you know, but you can't position like say them do one. And you can't tell them say them do one. Why the guy never do one? The guy that has me can't talk say they no do. Soon I know this say no, say do I mean suck. See the kind of way they talk, married women. You go carry breast, come on, person you go suck, you know suck. Which kind talk be this itself? Nah, I don't know what you they think. I don't know the kind of way you they think when you dey house. When we say, we make you no reason well. Okay, now you don't come out now they talk say your husband been cheat on you, your husband talk and when you dey house. You can't they talk say the plan be say may your husband no even react, may your husband no even talk anything about you. Say you go the grant interview. You say your husband go for a voting center. Go the table, may they no vote for you. You think say that because of whether your husband talk, you no talk. Which voting center? How many persons when you go meet there? No only Calabar go vote for you. Other places no go vote for you. See if your husband go there, go tell 1 or 2 persons when they no come vote for you. You can't depara. I beg leave matter for Matthias. The thing maybe say you 4 person and now you don't dey clear for your eyes. Not as you think say the thing be say you I don't know what you the thing say you want create content or you want give highlights. Or I don't know what you the think say married woman wait there for BB Naija has got to misbehave. People go they happy. Go they clap for you or waiting. I don't understand, Tegao. I don't understand. Honestly. My people, like I talk, say I no want talk too much. I don't talk too much, or I don't talk small. The thing be say, make people dey careful. If you're married, you're married. Always no say you dey married. Always they remember that one. May that one they enter your head. May that one they enter your head. Any person where person did anything where person they do. Where person they careful. Person they careful because of tomorrow. Because person feel using in blues, spoiling reggae for tomorrow. And anything the way we do, maybe not say social media don't enter. People from nowhere feel video you, people from nowhere feel record you. Anything feel happen. And anything where they don't enter social media, don't enter. I say Ghana, the thing where when they do shuku with Boma, it don't enter online. You see, it don't enter. The tissue there, you see, they never come out the tissue from online. The condom there, you see, down that pillow, they never come out. So all these things, those places where they smoosh, kiss, do everything. Where those ones don't come out from social media or online, it never come out. All those things they there. So take my sister, now your chorus, now you go carry them now, no vessel. And now begin to talk all the things where you talk for that interview. So tell Nigeria don't say whether you dey pass depression because your father do this, do that. The truth is say all these things now where you they seek for self-pity. Now be the truth. They seek for self-pity. You don't spoil your name, you say you don't spoil your name, Tega. No 2 ways about it. Nigeria, even say you don't beg them finish till tomorrow, then go still remember that thing, then go still drag you, they still won't drag you. That be the thing. So make all of us they use our brain. Make all of us they use our brain. Because me, I don't understand though. Now you don't go BB Nigeria. You carry picking key for house. The thing nothing on the scatter. If you like say marriage, you want scatter. You say when I go try work out things out. If I know work out things out, then we say everybody go in way now. So now the thing, person we won't go BB Nigeria, we don't marry. Wanna shine on the eyes, guys. If like I go stop here, make I talk remain the one where I go talk tomorrow. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye.
This is me saying to Nigerians, I am sorry. I'm a citizen of Nigeria. People cannot throw me away. So I'm sorry. It wasn't from, it wasn't well, if I say it wasn't intentional, nobody will believe me.
You didn't mean harm.
Yeah, I didn't mean any harm. I was just going with the flow, and of course, yes, we didn't have sex. We didn't have sex in the house. I didn't have sex. Boma and I did not have sex. So, but of course, being a married woman and you're kissing and all that, that was a wrong move, and I apologize. So I need all the love, all the support I can get right now to make whatever dreams I have come to reality.